Ever wondered how to effortlessly transfer photos between Android devices? Well, today, I've got the answer for you. In the first part of our video, we'll guide you through the simple process of transferring photos between Android devices using Bluetooth. No cables, no fuss, just effortlessly share your cherished memories. Get ready for seamless data transfer. In part 2, we unveil MobiKin Transfer for mobile. An incredible tool that effortlessly moves your data between mobile devices. From photos to contacts and messages, it's your all-in-one transfer companion. To get started, download and install MobiKin Transfer for mobile. You can find it on the official website. Run MobiKin Transfer for mobile and connect both of your Android devices to your computer using USB cables. After connected, choose Photos as the type of data you want to transfer. Click the Start button, and it will begin transferring your photos. At this point, we've effortlessly completed the photo transfer from one Android device to another using MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Thank you all for tuning in.